Hare Krishna. Hare Hare Ram Ram Nam Nam Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Nam Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Nam Nam Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Nam Nam Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Nam Nam Hare Hare. Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Vasudeva Bhakta. Hare Krishna. Welcome Vidya.
Hello.
Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Let me start with Anuja is also joining.
Okay.
So, do you remember which sloka we did it last time?
2.14 and 15, I think so we finished it.
Okay, let's go to, till that time we will do the Mangla Charan.
Okay. We'll wait for Anuja.
Yeah, let's wait till the time my screen will come and all.
Okay.
How are you? How's Pravalika? How's everything?
All good, going good.
Very
Bit cold. Maybe there also too cold, I think so.
Very cold. Shreya was not here, so I thought let me have a quick class.
Good. Okay.
So
Actually, I was not well for past 2
what
days.
happened?
Since bad weather now, due to weather only it is.
I know. Are you taking any medicine or something?
Yes, I'm taking it.
But in Bangalore, there's no such cold, na? Like a Delhi or...
No, not like that. But weather is a little bad.
Acha. It is there.
Yeah. Now I think it started.
Okay. Excellent. Let's start because this time is also na. Maybe she might be stuck or something. She will join in between. It's already 7:05. Otherwise, call will drop down.
No problem. We'll start. Let her come.
She will join in between. Na?
Okay.
Acha, okay. I have most likely इसका रोशन का आज हो जाना चाहिए. It was delay from my end. 1 महीना चला गया. 2 महीने में भी. Now it's end. So till January he can attend. So my sister will do it. So today it will happen. So once it will done, I will send you. Welcome. Hare Krishna. Anuja. You are just about to start.
Sorry यार मेरे को देर हो गई.
No problem. No problem. I was also late. Try to
Actually खाना खिला रही थी बच्चों को तो थोड़ा time लग गया मुझे.
No problem.
No, you are on perfect time. It was
Perfect time.
Thank you.
After this Mangla Charan, we'll do one round of chanting and then we will start. Okay.
Better now you.
Samrupam tadamayam padapicam tadapicam Vandeham Shri Guru Sitamanamalam Shri Gurum Vaishnavansam Shri Rupam Sadhavatam Sagadagunatham Samsajivam Sadhvaitam Sadhutam Parijansamritam Krishna Chaitanya Devam Shri Radha Krishna Radha Tadavita Shri Vishakhantam He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinavandho Jagatpate Gopesha Kantara Namaste Tapta Kantara Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vishvanu Sutadevi Pranamami Harike Vansha Kalpapravaksha Kripa Sindhu Evacha Patitanam Pavanyam Vaishnavyo Namo Namaha Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Srivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare Hare Namo Vishnu Padaya Krishna Krishnaya Bhutale Srimati Bhaktivedanta Swamiti Namane Namaste Saraswati Devi Gaurivani Pacharane Suvishesha Shunyavadi Pashnate Satani. Hare Krishna. Let's start. Do you have anybody has a mala or आप लोग ऐसे ही chanting करते हो?
Welcome to this world. You have
No, I don't have I have mala, but I don't keep and do.
एक
Just
second.
I chant.
so many new toys.
I do it in fingers.
Easy, put together.
Okay.
Fingers.
Kaiser
ये मेरा ना
Permanente.
ये एक सेकंड ये वो YouTube on ही रह गया. Let me close it.
No, I just put in. I mean, audio. I just put in my
Oh, wait,
phone.
wait,
phone,
wait, wait,
then
wait.
just I keep doing it.
पता नहीं कहाँ है वो. Wait. Let me close it. Oh God. आवाजें आ रही है ना?
Voice is coming.
मैंने शेयरिंग स्क्रीन एकदम से ओके मिल गया. चलो let's start. We'll start the chanting round. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंदा श्री अद्वैत गदाधर शिवासादि गौर भक्तवृंदा. सॉरी सो माला ऐसी चैंटिंग करते हो ना विद्या अनुजा?
Yes.
हाँ.
I
हाँ,
just
मैं तो
put
finger भी करती
background audio and then I'll just keep doing.
हाँ, try to just start on a mala. It's good.
Yeah,
Because
you just
अगर
do.
आप तुलसी हाँ sorry.
No, you just do in front of us if it's
Okay.
possible. Then it will be easy to
See,
us to do.
this is the ये small beats and these are the small beats and these are the big beats.
Mm.
So you can start from any of the end. We don't need to cross this. Okay, it's better because your mala, tulsi mala, will get more purified, and by touching also, because you're chanting on a mala, so it will be very much powered. So that's anyway. If you're chanting like this, that is also very good. नाम किसी भी तरह से लेने में कोई नुकसान नहीं है, उसमें फायदा ही है. But this is a more advancement. That's the reason I'm saying.
No, I bought the mala from Mathura only. I have kept it. With
Okay,
that
very
silver
good.
one.
See, hold it like this. You don't need to cross this.
Okay.
We have to chant this mantra. I said full Mangla Charan, but before mala, we should say Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Avadita Gadadhari Shivasadi Gaur Bhaktavinda. Hare Krishna. We will start from here. Huh? Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare. Now I will put it inside like this if there's a bead bag. So this finger should not touch this mala. This finger. So there will be a hole if you take a bead bag, and if you're not taking bead bag, so you have to touch this finger only. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Krishna Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Hare 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 Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
So we'll go to our कौन सा है हमारा
2000, I mean 2.16, I think so.
15 we have done. 16
Yes.
now.
second chapter na
Hmm.
you can see my screen na
Yes.
Vedabase second chapter
2.16.
16 shloka
Yes, 2.16. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 2.16. . 2.16. 。 . 2.16. 。 . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. . 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.16. 2.
2.16 we have done. Or
No,
we
it
have
just hope. No.
15 we have done. 14 and 15 we have done.
14,
ठीक है.
15 only
Okay.
we have done. 16 we didn't do.
Okay. Let's start. जय श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे राम 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 हरे हरे. कौन पढ़ेगा? अनुजा, विद्या?
I'll start it. Nasto vidyatito bhavo nabhova vidyate satha ubaryor api drashto natas tava anasyo tatva darasbibi. Next. Those who are seers of the truth have concluded that of the non-existent, the material body, there is a no endurance, and of the eternal, the soul, there is no change. This they have concluded by studying the nature of both. There is purpose. There is a no endurance of the changing body, that the body is changing every moment by the actions and reactions of. 1 minute, I'll just turn the camera. Okay. The different cells is admitted by modern medical science, and thus growth and old age are taking place in body. But the spirit soul exists permanently, remaining the same despite all changes of the body and the mind. That is the difference between matter and spirit. By nature, the body is ever changing and the soul is eternal. This conclusion is established by all classes of seers of truth, both impersonalist and personalist. In the Vishnu Purana, it is stated that Vishnu and it is bodies all have self-illuminated spiritual existence. That is something, I mean, Jyoti Nima
Vishnu
Vishnu
Bhavani
Bhuvanani Vistava.
Hmm.
The words existent and non-existent refer only to spirit and matter. That is the version of all spheres of truth. This is the beginning of the instructions by the Lord to the living entities who are beguiled by the influence of ignorance. Removal of ignorance involves the re-establishment of the eternal relationship between the worshipper and the worshipable, and the consequent understanding of the difference between the part and parcel living entitles and the supreme personality of Godhead. One can understand the nature of the supreme by through study of oneself. The difference between oneself and the supreme being understand as the relationship between the part and the whole in the Vedanta Sutras, as well as in the Srimad
Bhagavatam.
Srimad Bhagavatam, the Supreme has been accepted as the origin of all emanations, such as emanations are experienced by the superior and inferior natural sequences. The living entitles belonging to the superior nature, as it will be revealed in the 7th chapter. Although there is no difference between the energy and the energetic. The energetic is accepted as the supreme, and the energy or nature is accepted as the subordinated. The living entitles, therefore, are always subordinate to the Supreme Lord, as in the case of the master and the servant, or the teacher and the taught. Such clear knowledge is impossible to understand under the spell of ignorance. And to drive away such ignorance, the Lord teaches us the Bhagavad Gita for the enlightenment of all living entities for all the time.
So this shloka says what we understand कि हमारी body temporary है, it is going to be changed though we have energy.
Nature and spiritual, both.
हाँ, और स्पिरिट है वो कभी नहीं बदलने वाली है, ना ही मरने वाली है, वो जैसी है वैसी ही रहने वाली है. और Vidya, you explain what you understand with this.
No, you explain it. It
No,
will be nice to
no,
understand.
let's share. जब हम कृष्णा के जब आज हम बैठे हैं तो हमें भी नहीं पता होता हम इतना बोल सकते हैं, हमें भी नहीं पता हमें इतना समझ में आ गया. तो he gives the powers, he gives the energy. Just express, share.
As of what I read, na, actually nature and spirit is a little both a difference, and through God we can connect both the things.
Yes. So this is what
Briefly, I understood this, but elaborately, just detailing,
yes.
you
Anuja, you in
I could
first,
only understand that this body is always changing and it will get aged, but the spirit is always there in the same state. It doesn't age,
yes,
and it is connected to God. So body and spirit are the soul
yes.
are different.
Correct. This first paragraph described this only. The what she said it Vidya in the second paragraph they're saying ki yes, it is, and we can understand with this knowledge of the knowledge of the Krishna only, whatever the God is giving the knowledge without this mode of ignorance. Like today's time also some people say hum pehle bandar the, it is a science, it is a universe, God is nirakar, God is there but zaruri nahi hai. But no, God has साकार. तो इस भाव को या इस फॉर्म को समझना जिस प्लेटफॉर्म पे, it's not easy. It's not easy at all with the logic. So God says, yes, everything is coming from me, but with mode of ignorance, mode of जो मैंने दिया उसमें आप मुझे नहीं समझ सकते, with my knowledge only. And if forget about that, and if we come to this, that is a fact ना, energy है, energetic energies होती हैं, सब है, but that is a fact ना, we grow, हम जरा व्याधि मृत्यु, हमें तो इन सबसे तो हम, ये एक फैक्ट है. कैन वी रन अवे? नो. पर आत्मा है, वो अपने कर्म लेके जाती है, वो अपना स्वभाव लेके जाती है, वो कई जन्मों तक सब हमारे साथ रहता है. उसकी कोई उम्र, वो कभी बुढ़ी नहीं होती, कभी उसके कोई बुढ़ापा नहीं होता, कोई बीमारी नहीं होती. तो दिस इज, so we have to work on first that level. Remember that story reminds you, वो जो मैंने last time भी बताई थी, या जो एक राजा होता है, उसकी 4 रानियां होती हैं, और वो that story,
yes.
that story comes here कि हमें किस चीज को प्रायोरिटी
हम जिस चीज को सबसे ज्यादा वो करते हैं वो एक्चुअली
people don't want to talk on that.
वो हमारे साथ
अरे
नहीं
नहीं,
जाती.
हम तो जिंदा हैं अभी, हम सोल की बातें क्यों करें, मरेंगे तो मर जाएंगे. मतलब nobody want to forget about the priority, nobody want to think on it, nobody want to talk about it. So which should be our priority? Everything is temporary. When we come on this level ना, सबसे पहले अगर हम ये देखें कि हम when we come on this level कि everything is temporary and calm, तो हम बड़े ना subtle और calm हो जाते हैं. हम कंफ्यूज क्यों होते हैं कि ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, वैसा क्यों हो रहा है, अब क्या होगा, अब क्या होएगा, अब कैसे होएगा, अब मैं के, मतलब हम इस सिचुएशन में इतना फंस जाते हैं. जब हम इस चीज को समझते हैं दूर से बैठ के कि जो भी सिचुएशन है अच्छी बुरी, ये बदलने ही वाली है.
So slowly we have to get ready our body and soul to that level of
एक्शन रिएक्शन हमारे बदल जाते हैं जब हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में बंध जाते हैं. सिचुएशन, लोग, परिस्थिति, जब हम उसमें अटैच हो जाते हैं ना, तो वो हमारी परेशानियों का कारण बनता है. अब कोई कहेगा हम अपने बच्चे पति से बिल्कुल दैट इज अ नेचुरल. ऐसा नहीं है कि हम एकदम से मतलब ठीक है खाना खाओ, कुछ करना है, ऐसा नहीं है. लेकिन डिटैचमेंट मीन्स लव टू ऑल. जब हमारे अंदर वो अटैचमेंट टू कृष्णा, सो ही विल गिव हमें, ही विल गिव पावर टू सर्व आवर ऑल ड्यूटी इन अ नाइस वे, without confusion, without bewildered, without fail. He'll give power. If something going against our thought process, so we'll be having a vision to see why it is happening when we connect to that supernatural power. we'll be not having these questions. Yesterday what happened? I tell you the yesterday incident only. Shreya went with her friends
Okay.
and she यहाँ पे बहुत बारिश हो रही थी. It was heavy rain here and she's has some plan with the Seattle, so she has to catch और कल Sunday था, she was having only 8:30 bus. So she woke up 5 o'clock. Mama, I have to walk down. It's very near, but I have to take a cab. And I mean, कोई बात नहीं, it's okay, relax. So somehow she got the cab and all, and she was very happy कि मेरे को cab मिल गई. And because वो 5 बजे से लेकर 7 बजे तक she was so much thinking on it. मैं कैसे जाऊंगी, क्या करूंगी? And I was relaxed, हो जाएगा. So she got a cab lastly, and nick of the time she reaches there, and she forget her luggage. Our bus got missed, and there was only one bus, and all the bookings are done. So she called me, and I said, relax, something, and there's no bus entire day. And she was pissed up. Oh God, this happened. I'm trying to reach that lady and all that. And I said, relax, something will come up. So, but normally हमारा भी reaction क्या होगा, हाँ ये क्या हो गया, क्यों हो गया, अब हड़बड़ाएंगे. But I was just relaxed. I just chanted God, prayed nothing, Bhagwan, Krishna, you take care, you find out solution. I don't know. I'm sure you are going to do something. This is what I did it. Second thought came, अगर वो मिस हुई है तो कोई ना कोई कारण होगा. So, फिर हमने सारा सर्च किया. इट वाज टोल्ड कि 5 बजे से पहले कोई बस नहीं है. शी गॉट समहाउ 12:30 कोई बस मिली उसे 12:30. शी गॉट द लगेज बैग एंड शी रीचेस. डिले इज देयर. If we see the missing part, we'll be always scripting. If we see the opportunity, we got it. So we relax our mind. When we are nervous, we make 2 more things worse. When we are calm, relaxed, whatever has happened, whatever is supposed to happen, that will happen. No one can change. This is understanding. The situation will come. Things will happen, whatever is supposed to happen. But when we are confused and nervous mind, we make more 2 things worse. Understanding? And my sister was talking to me, and I said, I am not talking now. I have not explained anybody, this happened, that happened. When everything's resolved, yes, she has reached nicely and she got it. Why? And with the same incident, we can make a very big fuss. Oh God, this has happened. That vision God says, why? So let's move to we have 10 minutes only, and I have a beautiful story. Shall I share the one story? This is a real incident of Australia. I just heard yesterday, or shall we go to the next shloka? We have 15 minutes.
No problem. For me, anything is okay.
Anuja? And that shloka is, I
anything,
guess,
not a problem.
it's a big, let's do it, the shloka. Then I'll share the story.
Okay. मैं पढ़ूं?
हाँ, पढ़ो.
अविनाशी तु त्वद्विद्वी येन सर्वमिदं ततं विनाशमव्ययस्यायस्य न कश्चित् कर्तुर्मर्हति. That which pervades the entire body, you should know to be indestructible. No one is able to destroy that imperishable soul. This verse more clearly explains the real nature of the soul, which is spread all over the body. Anyone can understand what is spread all over the body. It is consciousness. Everyone is conscious of the pains and pleasures of the body, in part or as a whole. The spreading of consciousness is limited within one's own body. The pains and pleasures of one body are unknown to another. Therefore, each and every body is the embodiment of an individual soul, and the symptom of the soul's presence is perceived as individual consciousness. This soul is described as 1/10,000th part of the upper portion of the hair point in size. The Shweta Upanishad confirms this. बालग्रसत भागस्य सदाधा कल्पितस्य का भागो जीवः सा विज्ञेयः सा chaitanya kalpate. When the upper point of a hair is divided into 100 parts, and again each of such parts is further divided into 100 parts, each such part is the measurement of the dimension of the spirit soul. Similarly, the same version is stated: Kesagra sata bhagasya satamah sa sadrastamakah जीवः सूक्ष्म स्वरूपो यम संख्यातितो ही चित्कना. There are innumerable particles of spiritual atoms which are measured as 1/10,000th of the upper portion of the hair. Therefore, the individual particle of spirit soul is a spiritual atom smaller than the material atoms, and such atoms are innumerable. This very small spiritual spark is the basic principle of the material body, and the influence of such a spiritual spark is spread all over the body as the influence of the active principle of some medicine spreads throughout the body. This current of the spirit soul is felt all over the body as consciousness, and that is the proof of the presence of the soul. Any layman can understand that the material body minus consciousness is a dead body, and this consciousness cannot be revived in the body by any means of material administration. Therefore, consciousness is not due to any amount of material combination, but to the spirit soul. In the Mundak Upanishad, the measurement of the atomic spirit soul is further explained. Eso nar atma chaitas vedit vyo yasmin pranah pankadah samvivesa pranayas chittam sarvam otam prajanam yasmin vishuddhe vibhavyate esa atma. The soul is atomic in size and can be perceived by perfect intelligence. This atomic soul is floating in the 5 kinds of air: Pran, Apan, Vyan, Saman, and Udan, is situated within the heart and spreads its influence all over the body of the embodied living entities. When the soul is purified from the contamination of the 5 kinds of material air, its spiritual influence is exhibited. The Hatha Yoga system is meant for controlling the 5 kinds of air, encircling the pure soul by different kinds of sitting postures, not for any material profit, but for liberation of the minute soul from the entanglement of the material atmosphere. So, the constitution of the atomic soul is admitted in all Vedic literatures, and it is also actually felt in the practical experience of any sane man. Only the insane man can think of this atomic soul as all-pervading Vishnu Tattva. The influence of the atomic soul can be spread all over a particular body. According to the Mundak
Ganda
Upanishad,
Upanishad.
the atomic soul in the heart of every living entity, and because the measurement of the atomic soul is beyond the power of appreciation of the material scientists.
Ye raha.
It's
Some.
not this
Some of
book.
them assert foolishly.
Yeah, got it. Material. So some of them
Mhm.
assert foolishly that there is no soul, the individual emanating from this part of the body. The individual atom soul is definitely there in the heart along with the super soul. And thus all the energies of bodily movement are emanating from this part of the body. The corpuscles which carry the oxygen from the lungs gather energy from the soul. When the soul passes away from this position, the activity of the blood generating fusion ceases. Medical science accepts the importance of the red corpuscles, but it cannot ascertain that the source of the energy is the soul. Medical science, however, does admit that the heart is the seat of all energies of the body. Such atomic particles of the spirit whole are compared to the sunshine molecules. In the sunshine, there are innumerable radiant molecules. Similarly, the fragmental parts of the Supreme Lord are atomic sparks of the rays of the Supreme Lord, called by the name Prabha, or superior energy. So, whether one follows Vedic knowledge or modern science, one cannot deny the existence of the spirit soul in the body, and the science of the soul is explicitly described in the Bhagavad Gita by the personality of Godhead himself.
I guess you should share with the Prava on this. I was thinking
Huh?
about Prava.
Yeah, I will share it.
See, here it is science comes. So it says that the Bhagavad Gita is the best book. It's the best science, it's the best psychology, best philosophy, best manual. It covers everything. You know, all the scriptures come from, we don't need it. It covers everything. So see, kitna sukshma size hai. It's such a small, tiny size of our soul. And
100th part of the
and
hair.
and
of
it
the hair.
and
that,
it
that has so much of division also.
and it content are all consciousness.
Yes.
It carries so much. It because it's we are what we say, we are part and parcel of that supreme energy. So that absorbs so much of consciousness. See how, I suppose I have to take the class. I thought I give this message to my mind. Then my mind will give message to my leg. I'll walk. Then my hand. This is how it works. So it's all the consciousness. So consciousness is giving impact to the whole body. Our thought process, our action, our karma, it's all our consciousness.
Consciousness.
So consciousnesses are, sometimes you might have feel you're in a particular situation and आप दो थॉट आ रहे हैं कि मेरा दिल कुछ कह रहा है और मैं कर कुछ रही हूँ, मेरा मन नहीं मान रहा. So what is that? That is a consciousness. It is always said it. Whenever you need to do something, do with your consciousness. Consciousness have all the answers. We have all, when we go deep into ourselves, we have all the answers what is right and wrong. By ignoring, we will land up to the any very confused and very bad situation. So always we should understand what is our consciousness saying. So this is going to finish in 5 minutes. That's very nice, interesting shlokas, na? It gives a logic.
बहुत अच्छा.
And going forward,
very nice.
Yes, going forward.
Actually, when reading time, hearing itself, it gives such a wonderful feeling.
I'll share with you, Vidya, that yesterday I was listening a Zoom on youth Zoom class for that. They were talking about the woman's role as per the scriptures, what is our duties, and this is for youth generally, for live-in relations, a marriage importance and working importance, how we should approach. It's about that. Like today's time, it's very normal live-in and all this. It is about that. So I'll share it with you. So I was just listening yesterday. So shall we have 5 minutes. So I'll share the story. ये ऑस्ट्रेलिया की है. तो वहां पे एक फैमिली थी. दे वर वेरी बिग डिवोटी ऑफ नरसिंह भगवान. नरसिंह भगवान तो आप जानती हैं, उनका शेयर होता है. तो वो अपने एक बच्ची थी छोटी सी, तो वो अपने घर में देखती थी कि नरसिंह भगवान की बहुत पूजा होती है. तो शी यूज्ड टू से द लायन गॉड, लायन गॉड, लायन गॉड. तो वो अपने सारे फ्रेंड्स को बोलती थी मैं लायन गॉड, मेरे घर में पूजा होती है. शी वाज वेरी अट्रैक्टेड टू द लायन गॉड करके बोलती थी. एक दिन होता क्या है, तो शी वाज प्लेइंग ऑन द रोड. पार्क में खेलते खेलते वो रोड पे चली जाती है. उसका फादर ऊपर होता है और वो देख रहा होता है कि मेरी बेटी जा रही है और सामने से एक ट्रक आ रहा है बहुत स्पीड से. और वो ये देख रहा है, उसको समझ नहीं आता कि मैं जब तक नीचे जाऊंगा तब तक तो ये उस पे चली जाएगी. तो वो क्या करता है, वो ऊपर से ही जंप कर देता है. मतलब इतना कंफ्यूज हो जाता है, ऊपर से जंप कर देता है. उसकी हड्डी वड्डी, मतलब उसको काफी इंजरी आती है. और वो देख रहा है एंड ही इज फीलिंग हेल्पलेस. उसके सामने ही वो ट्रक आ रहा है और उस लड़की को हिट कर देता है एंड शी फेंटेड. वो बेहोश हो जाती है. फिर वहां पुलिस आती है. थोड़ी देर में उसको हॉस्पिटल ले जाया जाता है लड़की को. और फादर को, लड़की को हॉस्पिटल ले जाया जाता है और वो बिल्कुल बेहोश हो चुकी होती है, उसके कुछ सेंसेस नहीं चल रहे होते। तो जब और ट्रक उसे हिट करके चला जाता है। जब उसका एक्सरे करवाया जाता है तो नर्स लेके आती है एक्सरे डॉक्टर के पास। तो डॉक्टर कहता है ये किसका एक्सरे लेकर आई हो, मुझे उस लड़की का एक्सरे चाहिए जिसका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है। तो बोलती है मैं इसी का एक्सरे लेके आई हूँ। कहते हैं आर यू फुलिश, व्हाट आर यू ब्रिंगिंग, यू डोंट डू द जॉब प्रॉपर्ली। तो वो बोलती है नहीं, मैं इसका एक्सरे लेकर आई हूँ और इसी की रिपोर्ट है। कहते हाउ इज दिस पॉसिबल कि इसको इस ट्रक ने हिट किया है और इसको एक भी हड्डी और कुछ चोट नहीं आई है। वो लड़की बेहोश होती है, बस चोट नहीं आई है। जब वो होश में आती है देन शी सेज कि भाई मैं जब मेरा एक्सीडेंट हुआ तो मेरे को लॉ एंड गॉड ने उठा लिया, उन्होंने कहा कि डोंट वरी तुम्हें कुछ नहीं होएगा और ये एक मटेरियल एक चीज है, इसे होने दो। तो वो उसके साथ, और वो बताती है उनका ऐसा फेस था और बहुत कोमल से हाथ थे और आई वाज प्लेइंग विद हिम। तो डॉक्टर्स तभी भी नहीं मानते हैं, वो कहते हैं कि ये कोई बच्चे को शॉक लगा है और दैट इज व्हाई शी वर्शिप द लॉ एंड गॉड, दैट इज व्हाई शी इज मेकिंग द स्टोरीज। बट वो जब आगे ट्रीटमेंट करते हैं और इन चीजों को वेरीफाई करते हैं तो दे वेरीफाइड इट, एंड उसके बाद वहां पे उस कम्युनिटी में पर्टिकुलरली तो लॉ एंड गॉड की, भगवान की और वर्शिप होने लग गई। दिस इज ट्रू स्टोरी, आई शेयर्ड इन द ग्रुप।
Okay, I did not read it.
I got goosebumps when you were telling.
हाँ, सी
Yeah.
दिस इज, एंड वो ऐसे उठा लेते हैं कि तुम तो, दिस इज हाउ मच वी, वो बच्ची थी, वो लॉ एंड गॉड इतना करती थी, इतना, इट इज व्हाट भगवान ने।
How many years old she is?
She was, I guess, maybe I could see in the video 5-6 year old or so. सो एंड उसको नहीं पता भगवान, वो लॉ एंड गॉड लॉ एंड गॉड लॉ एंड गॉड, मतलब हम जिस भी भाव में भगवान के साथ रहते हैं वो हर चीज एक्सेप्ट करते हैं। नियम बनाना भी जरूरी है, बट वो इतनी डिग्री इंटेलिजेंट को इतनी इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं देते। ठीक है, वेद शास्त्रों के थ्रू हमें कॉन्सेप्ट समझने चाहिए, बट एक्चुअल में वो भाव, उस लड़की का विश्वास इतना था, वो खेलती थी, वो बोलती थी, तो वो उसके साथ आते हैं, उसे कहते हैं डोंट वरी इट इज ऑल टेम्परेरी। जी जस्ट वॉच दैट वीडियो, आई शेयर ऑन कृष्णा कॉन्शियस ग्रुप। मैंने कल ही शेयर किया था, मुझे पता था
Okay.
कि ये नहीं, मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं, मैं पहले शेयर कर देती हूँ। चलो लेट्स सी नरसिंह आरती। तो
Okay.
नमस्ते नरसिंह